Hello there guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a toggle in Notion using your computer. First, open the page where you want to add the toggle. Place your cursor in the spot where it should appear. Next, type a /. Open the block menu. From the list, choose Toggle List. A toggle block will appear with a small arrow on the left. Type your main heading or questions there. To add content inside the toggle, press enter, then indent by hitting tab or simply type beneath it. The arrow will let you expand or collapse the hidden content. You can use toggles to keep pages tidy, hide detailed notes, or create collapsible frequently asked questions. And that's that guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.